Mr. Kapi, I have a question.
Uh-huh. Sure. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I understand set will ignore values, but what about you have a string? Like, for example, you have to make a sentence that have, if you have to list names,
Mm-hmm.
like you have Kapi, and another names, is it gonna ignore those um repeated names?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna ignore the string. I'm talking about the set.
Yeah. So, I mean, let me try to show you this example. So that should answer your question. So let's say I have a text like this. Okay, complete sentence. So the sentence is in this tutorial we are discussing about sets, and then what I have done, I have placed the repeated values. Right. This is your example. I mean, this was your question, right? What will happen to
Yes,
this?
yes, yes.
Okay. So then what I'm using it, I'm using something. This is an inbuilt function, by the way, which is called as a split. So what split does it will return a list like this. You see, this is a list. So this is the behavior of this particular function. This will help us in returning a list. So I printed this. Now convert the list of words to get unique words. I want unique words, right? My end goal is to get the unique words. So what will I do? Unique words, set, and then words. So this words, what I'm doing here is, this is called as typecasting. I'm converting what is word. Let me try to print the type of word, by the way. But yeah, I already told you it's a list, but let me try to print. See, from this line, I splitted this into a list. Okay, I made it a list, and this particular, I mean, this is a list we already know, but I just confirmed it with type function. Okay, so now in this word, in this particular word variable, what do I have? I have this particular list, right? So yeah, okay, so I have this value in this word. Okay, and which has v and v in it. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do here is, this is called as I mean, I think I already introduce, I mean, make you familiar with typecasting. So when I want to convert this into sets, okay, so this is a list, but I know like set has a inbuilt behavior, right? It will not allow duplicate values. So what I'm doing is I'm converting this word into sets. So once this is converted, I'm assigning it to unique words variable. So this is just a variable on the left side. I mean, I can use any variable, just a variable. So what I did, I just typecasted it. Typecasting, we know, right? We can convert it from one type of a variable to another type of a variable, right? We already saw this in our, I mean, previous classes. So this is just a typecasting. So I'm converting this list into set. So once this conversion is done, I'm assigning the value to this one. Now let me print this. See, yeah, okay. uh RV tutorial, this discussing about sets in. So uh what does happen here is, uh, remember I told you like lists are stored in non-continuous memory locations. Okay, so although it showed here like this, but when we converted, right, because it was not at continuous memory locations, though the words got jumbled. But even in these jumbled words, if you see, there are no two v's, there is only one v. Okay, so it will remove, I mean, uh, any number of times we can put anything like of. If I put, right, I will get only one time. So in these kind of scenarios, we can use this. If I have repeated elements, so in the LLM, usually we do not have these problem in a general sense. But let's say you requested, you told to that element, like whatever the text you are giving, right? I want it to be unique. So LLM can take help of this particular data type, which is called as a set from Python, and it can respond to you. So whatever the result or response he have made, what he have to do, he have to just pass it through set and then give you the output.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.